Hi guys, this is Topper Chef. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make potato and peas filling for our samosas. That's the vegetable samosa filling. Okay, so now we're going to add some oil to our hot pan. About 2 tablespoons of oil. So we're going to make this samosa filling for about 2 medium-sized potatoes, okay? So y'all can increase the recipe accordingly. So this is 1 whole onion, which I'm going to first start with. To this I'm going to add some ginger, and fresh garlic. Everything's chopped so you can get the crunch while you're eating the samosas, the filling. And of course, to this we're gonna add some cumin and kalonji seeds and toast them well. Okay, so now this has been sauteed probably for a minute now, and everything looks good, nice and translucent. To this I'm going to add some coriander powder and some garam masala powder. And our potatoes are already cooked, so we're going to add boiled potatoes which have already been cooked. Oh, good aroma of the garam masala. So you can make this filling if you want it spicy. I usually keep this filling not spicy when I'm in the samosas, because then I can make my chutneys spicier or anything. You cannot have everything spicy. You have to learn to mellow the taste down. So this is about 2 potatoes I'm gonna put in. And just let it swirl around and let it cook a bit. Okay, so now we've sauteed these potatoes all around, and what I usually do is just take it off now and then let it cool. And then I'll mash this up well, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients when we are making the filling and making the samosas ready. So we just turn this off now. Hi guys, so we are back again with our filling for the potatoes. So you saw me take out the potatoes from the pan. I put it in a bowl and put it in the fridge. So it's about 10 minutes. Brought it out from the fridge, and now we're going to finish it with fresh ingredients. Okay, so the most important thing when you're making appetizers is not to fill anybody up. You want to give them a certain flavor of certain things that you want to present for them. So my way of making appetizers is just making few of them, but very tasty, contrasting taste. So when I'm putting all these fresh spices, means they're not cooked, but you can get this burst of flavor once you bite into that. So this is coriander seeds and fennel seeds. They're raw, and some flakes, red flakes, chili flakes, some fresh chili also, and lots of cilantro. Goes well with this. First, let me mash everything up and then mix everything up. And then I'm going to add my peas. Not too much peas, otherwise it will become very sweet. Okay, so now the samosa, this dough has been sitting down for an hour. And what happens is all the oil and all this mixture will mix into it. So you just have to roll it. And I like making samosas small, like cocktail samosas. So now this is about 6 inch long, and so you cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll get 16 samosas of this. Put this one, and you see, you just flatten it out a little bit, add some flour. And this is how you're gonna roll it in an oval shape, not round, but oval shape. And see to it that all are shaped the same way. Okay, there you go. You have to keep this not very thin, just a little thick like that, and you can see the thickness. See how thick it is? So you want to keep that way oval. And so I put some flour on it now. Okay, that's one. Put it on this tray here. Same thing, I'm gonna do another one. So I'm going to show you to make about 2 of those, and then we're going to roll all of these, and then I'll show you how to fill this, okay? So you want to keep it all at the same size. So here we go. So put some flour. And let it sit like this on top of it. On top of it like this, there you go. And that way I'm gonna do all of my 8 rolls which are there. Okay guys, so now we rolled all of our 8 balls which were there, and you can see I just put them one on top of the other. And so what you gotta do is cut this in half. Okay, so I'll show you how to fill this up now. It's very simple, but this is what samosas are made up of, and how you fill is very important. So get some water, push it like that, make it one square, the other one like this, and you can see this is overlapping, this is overlapping. Hold this in your hand and fill this up very well with the filling all the way to the top, and then press it down. Hold it, press it down. There you go. Press it down, then apply some water again all around, and then one and the other one like this, square, and then seal it properly. Now look at this. This is how the samosa should stand. There you go. Let's do the rest of the stuff just like this. Now this, I don't make my samosas big because I want everybody to enjoy bite size, you know. And you're cooking for parties or anything like that, it should be what we call cocktail samosas. They're small and they should be filling also. So here we go. One more. Water. Put it all the way around. Then here your second one. Okay, so we are gonna fry this thing. I just put one to check. Now we can put in this container about 3 of them. Now the important key for doing this is, I'll tell you what, you have to fry it on low heat first. That's what I do. When I'm frying samosas, I fry on low heat, and then take all of them out, and then when my guests are there or anything like that, then I fry it second time at a higher heat temperature. So you can't, the main thing is for it to get nice and crunchy, it has to be fried for a long period of time, okay? You can't put it at 400 degrees and it will be all brown outside and it will be very raw inside. So you gotta be at 250 kind of degrees, and you see it should be all immersed. Okay, so now at a low temperature, this has been cooked. Now take it out, and the same way I'm going to now process all my other samosas, and then when my guest or whenever we are ready to eat it, that's when I fry it for the second time. Okay, so now we've fried all our samosas. The initial samosas we fried at a low temperature. Now these are being fried at a higher temperature, and that's what is required for them to get nice and crispy. Okay, and that is the important thing of doing this samosas this way. Okay, so now we fried this for about 2 minutes, and you can see they are nice and brown. I'm just about to get them out, and these are all well done now. That's how crispy they should be. So here are the frying technique for the samosas. Very important to do this. Now see how brown they are compared to this one here. And that's how you should get it out. And when you get it out, it should be break. When they break, there should be kind of noise should come in it. Okay? So that's how you fry the samosas. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We're gonna taste our vegetable samosas, which we just finished making, and you can see when you break this, it's so hard. So when you eat it, you gotta get that crunch, which is required. That's why they call it the kasta samosa. And I love samosas for inviting people over for parties at my house. So if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!